Welcome to video lecture. Today we will study about chromatography. Let's start. Chromatography. Chromatography is derived from a Greek word. Chroma means color and graphy means picture. What is the principle of chromatography? Chromatography is the method of separating two or more components that dissolve in the same solvent. Example: to separate the dyes in food coloring, we can make use of this method. Procedure: draw a line with a pencil at about 1 cm from the bottom of the strip of the filter paper or chromatography paper. Put a drop of ink on the pencil line. Allow the drop to dry. Then dip the paper into the glass tank containing the solvent, in this case water. Water that soaked up by the paper will dissolve the dyes. Leave the apparatus to stand for a while. Water will travels up the paper carrying the different dyes along. The more soluble a dye is in water, the further it will move up the paper. What is RF value? RF value is defined as the ratio of the distance moved by the solute and the distance moved by the solvent. RF is equal to distance moved by the solute divided by distance moved by the solvent. How to calculate RF value? As we have studied that RF value is equal to distance moved by the solute divided by distance moved by solvent. So for example, if a compound travels 2.1 cm and the solvent front travels 2.8 cm, what will be the RF value? Distance moved by solute, which is 2.1 cm, divided by distance moved by a solvent, which is also known as solvent front. So it is 2.8 cm. So 2.1 divided by 2.8, the answer will be 0.75. So RF value will be 0.75. Chromatography of colorless substances. In colorless substances, we use a spray of locating agent. In this case, ninhydrin is a locating agent which gives a deep blue or purple coloration with amino acid, as amino acids are colorless substances. The second use of ninhydrin can be in detecting fingerprint. Application of chromatography: it is used to check the purity of a substance. Pure substance always gives one spot on separation. Second, used to separate and identify poisonous food, colors or additives which are not recommended by WHO. WHO means World Health Organization. Third, used to separate even colorless compounds such as amino acids. In this case, we use locating agent, which is ninhydrin. Fourth, technique is used by forensic scientists to investigate crimes. 5. To separate various plant pigments. Concept map: paper chromatography, separation of dyes, colors from each other according to their solubility in the given solvent. Locating agent is used for colorless substances such as amino acid. Thank you. Goodbye.